So you guys already know, man, when them OGs come out, sometimes you're just more inclined to not just get one pair, but you gotta double up on them things. And today, I have a much, needed double up of a crazy nostalgic OG colorway, which you about to get into right now, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tapping into another video, bruh. I know y'all tired of seeing me. I know y'all tired of hearing my voice, but we gotta talk about, some sneakers that your boy had to double up on, man. But if you guys are new to the channel, you don't know who I am. I'm The Vintage. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't miss out on any of this good content that we are putting out for you guys. If you don't know, I respond to every single comment. We always get some good conversations down below. It's not just me reading the comments. It's everybody else that loves and enjoys sneakers. So go ahead and drop a thought or two over whatever we are talking about. If it's a random thought, drop it down below in the comment section. You never know who will respond to that comment, man. And also, before we jump into it, leave a huge like on today's video. That'd be great, appreciated. You guys know we're trying to get that, 100K. We're trying to get that 100K. You're gonna help your boy out. Leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're new. And yes, man, the knife is back. The knife everybody's talking about. They said, bruh, get a box cutter. Get something a little bit more simplistic. Nah, we gotta use this crazy Rambo, style knife. We have the package right here. The double up that was necessary. It is here. And I definitely want to give a huge shout out to the homie Ron Got Soul, man. I know everybody know Ron Got Soul. He an icon, He go crazy over there on his channel. Make sure you guys go tap in with him. But he let a grill go. I said, bro, I gotta snag him. He gave me a steal price. And yeah, it's time to get into it, bro, without further ado. But like I said, bro, sometimes, certain releases you feel like you gotta get two pairs of because you probably did too much damage to the first pair that you did get. And what's crazy is I did have a second pair of these the day of the release, but one of the homies needed them and I said, bro, you got it. Give me that size 9. And again, shouts out to Ron Got Soul, bruh. I'm gonna tag him down below in the description box. So you guys go tap it with him, man. So here we have it, bruh. I already see the Jumpman up top, bruh. We already see the Jumpman. This is a Grail unboxing, even though I already got a pair. This right behind me, actually. You just don't know what it is yet. You're gonna skip through. You see the Jumpman on the front. Let's go ahead and get these things out, bruh. Let's get them out, man. Yes, sir, bro. It's always good getting a pair of sneakers in, unboxing them things. Especially if you love sneakers, you just get that nice, sensation, that nice feeling. And we have them, bro. You guys see the Jumpman on the top, man. An official colorway reads Air Jordan 3 Retro White, Fire Red, and Black. And if I just read that, colorway, you should know exactly what we have in the box, man. So let's flip the top open. Let's flip it open. Okay, this thing is DS, bro. DS, dead stock, bro. You see the elephant paper. You see it, bro. And yeah, 3, 2, 1. And hold on, bro. That's some extra tissue paper, bro. This thing is just DS all the way. And bam, man, there you have them. The Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds, bro. I might have to go get my other pair and show y'all the damage I've been doing to them things. Because I kept wearing them and the quality, like I said in the first video, they did these things with some justice, bro. They didn't throw that bouffale leather quality on these things. These things is buttery, man. Let's throw the box to the side, bro. And man, and it feel like I ain't never had a pair before when you get a OG crazy sneaker in. You guys see them, bro. Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds, man. Before we get any further with this video, talking about the sneakers, I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section if you were able to secure a pair of these Fire Red 3s. Let me know if you had to pay resale. Let me know if you doubled up. I want to know something, Give me a cool little story about these Fire Red 3s. What happened to you on a release date. The dope thing about these joints, the OGs, you did get the Nike Air on the back. And unlike the white cement reimagined, you got no quality defects with these crazy Air Jordan 3s, man. And Air Jordan 3s, I used to have a lot of them. Like I said, man, I sold a lot of shoes in 2021. Let a lot of pairs go. and a lot of them were Air Jordan 3s. The whole Air Jordan 3 collection video, if you guys have not checked that one out, I will link that down below so you guys can see, you know what I'm saying, what Air Jordan 3s your boy did have in the collection. I don't have nearly as many in that collection video, but your boy still got some fire 3s, but you probably see them in the drop fronts behind me, man. So like I said, let me know if you do have these beautiful Air Jordan 3 fire reds. And real quick, man, I gotta go ahead and grab them, bro. Let's go ahead and grab the other pair, man. Just so you guys don't think I'm gassing it up, bro. I gotta let, you know what I'm saying, keep it real, authentic. I'm real about this double up, man. I hope y'all didn't think I was playing, man. I hope y'all didn't think I was playing about the double up being secured on one of my favorite Air Jordan 3s of all time, fire red things. And I thought I beat them up a little bit more, but it don't look like I wore them that much. But I promise y'all, it was at a point where I kept pulling these things out, bro. I must want to step in nothing dirty, but your boy was definitely getting some wears out of these. And like I said, bro, we don't have only one, we have two, and it was necessary. It's always people in the comments, they're like, bro, did you need a second pair? You know what I'm saying? Did you really need it? Yes, I did, bro. You know what I'm saying? You do what you do, I'm gonna do what I do, and double up on the pairs that I feel is necessary to double up on. And I definitely think the Fire Red 3s was one of them ones, bro. I definitely think it was one of the ones. My tripping, that should I had not doubled up on these, but I feel like it wasn't much dropping in September, and I said, bro, let me go ahead, you know what I'm saying, pull the trigger on some grails, go back and pick up things that I feel like I needed. I know I don't need any more shoes, but going back and pick up things I felt like I needed for this New Year collection, it was successful. Again, shouts out to the homie Ron, got sold on a crazy assist, the crazy lob on these Fire Red 3s. And I just happened to rock one of, you know what I'm saying, my clothing brand's tees. Thinking about dropping them. Been doing a bunch of samples lately. I don't want to drop nothing else that I don't feel 100% solid about. The quality, the execution, all that good stuff. So you guys might see this tee, you feel me, sometime sooner. If you guys don't know, I have a clothing brand. I always link it down below in the description box. If I see here or there, I'm sorry. Let's get back to these Air Jordan 3 Fire Reds, man. I'm gonna hit you guys with a little bit of B-roll. I already did a full review and on feet, and I can't remember if these dropped last year in 2022 or in 2021. I know y'all know in the comments, so please let me know. I don't want to go in there, you know what I'm saying, search or anything like that. And this is one of the ones, if you do not have, if you don't have this OG colorway, you definitely want to snag it right now while the resale is low. Let me go ahead and grab my phone real quick, just so I can check, you know what I'm saying, the prices of them. I don't think they were that bad. I got these for a reasonable price. Like I said, I ain't gonna throw it out there because I appreciate you, Ryan, guys, so for throwing me the assist, you feel me? But let me search Fire Red Air Jordan 3 and see what these in for. Yes, so they did drop in 2022. Like I said, it's an OG colorway, and the prices are low, bro. They are pretty low on StockX, bro, which is kind of surprising because it's OG colorway. But if you don't have them now, I'm telling y'all, pull that trigger, especially if it was one of the ones that you was like, damn, should have copped them. The resale was low back in the day, but it's steadily climbing, man. So, hey, if you need them, go ahead and purchase them now because they won't be sitting low for long, man. So like I said, man, the double up is secure, it's final. I don't need 3 pairs, just, you know what I'm saying, just a double up is cool. But we got some early coming in very soon. I want y'all to stay tuned for these next couple unboxings. We got some crazy in, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Go and hit that like button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss on any content. Again, I appreciate all the support. Thank y'all for tuning in, man. And with all this being said, your boy The Vintage gonna catch you boys in the next video, man. Peace.